Hello and welcome to the video on menus. In this video we're going to learn how to customize a menu, format the menu, and how we can put different menus in different places on the website. So to start, we're going to again start from our WordPress dashboard. We're going to go down to Appearance. We're going to find Menus. We're going to click on that. And so we don't have any menus created. We're going to create a new one. We're just going to call it Main Menu. Create the menu. Then we're going to add some links to the menu, so add some kind of tabs to the menu. So a couple things you can do is you can add just current pages on your website. Down here you can add links to external web pages and create the menu item. Or you can create a link to different categories that you've already chosen through your posts. But for this one we're just going to link to pages. So we're going to click a few pages that we want to have a menu item for, add to menu. And then you can move these around if you want to put them in a different order. You can just drag and drop them however you want them to go. I think probably makes sense like this. And also for each menu item, you can call it something different. So just because the page is called About Us, you could call this whatever you want. You don't have to have the same title, but I think I like it like that. We're going to hit Save. We're going to click this one as our primary navigation menu. And then up here, this tab, not every themes will have this tab, but for this one it does, and it just shows these are the different areas on your website where you can have a menu, and then for each area you get to choose which menu you'd like to put. So we've only created one menu, so only the main menu is here. So we're going to keep that the way it is. We're going to go to our website. And we're going to see now we have a main menu up here with pages or with tabs that link to the different pages. So I actually don't like this. I think this text is too small, so I'm going to just format that. And so to do that, you'll go under Appearance, Theme Options. And again, this is specific to this theme. Not every theme will allow you to do this, or if it does allow you to do this, you know, it might be probably be in a different section that you'd find it. So we're going to click on Menu Settings, which we're already on here. Primary Font Menu. I don't mind the font. We're just going to increase the size. And we're going to add that up. Change that up to 20. Save changes. So settings saved. We're going to visit our site. And there you go. Looks much better like that, I think. So we go back to our dashboard. Another way that you can customize the location of the themes is you go to Appearance, you go to Customize, and this is your main editor for your theme, your customizing. We went through this again. And under Navigation here is a bit of a shortcut to where you can change the which menu you're using in each spot. So for instance, if we put Main Menu in the footer and hit Save and Publish, you can see our main menu is shown up here down in the footer. But we actually don't want to do that. I'm going to leave that. Save and publish, and now it's gone. So right now it's just up on the main one, and we're happy with that. And I am actually just going to go in and create one more menu, and just something that we can use potentially maybe in a different place if we want, and again just to show you how to create a new one. So go to Create New Menu. This one, let's call it a secondary menu, I guess. And in this one we'll just, you know, add a couple, maybe only use these three. Yeah, maybe just these three pages, add them to the menu. And so we have this secondary menu now created, and we can decide to put this anywhere we want in our website. I'm not going to click any of these because right now I don't really want to put it anywhere. I'm just going to have it ready in case I do. So that's that. So we now have two menus, and you can see up here we have our main menu, secondary menu. Our main menu has been linked to our primary navigation. Our secondary menu is nowhere right now. It's just there in case we need it. So that's that. We now have two menus, and we have the main one on our kind of main header tab, which is linked automatically to all the different pages. As you can see, we can click on the blog. It'll take us to our blog, testimonials. It'll take us to this testimonials page that we created. And then always, if you go back to your logo and click on the logo, it's going to take you back to your home page. So that is our section on menus, and we're going to move on now to the next lecture.